In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Uber Eats driver account in a few easy steps. Whether you've decided to step away from driving or just want a fresh start, it's important to know how to navigate this process smoothly. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Uber Eats website. It's crucial to start from the official site to ensure your information is secure and that you're following the correct procedure from a trusted source. Open up your internet browser and enter the Uber Eats URL or simply search for it via your preferred search engine. Once you've landed on the home page, you'll need to locate the Help section. Typically, you can find this at the top or bottom of the page or sometimes under a menu button depending on the browser you're using or the site's layout. The Help section is a treasure trove of information, offering guides for practically every issue you might encounter. So, for our purpose today, click on that Help link. In the Help section, you'll see various topics, but the one we're interested in is Account. Clicking on Account will take you to another page that specifically handles account-related issues, from password changes to troubleshooting login issues, and of course, deletion. Now, once you've clicked on Account, you'll need to navigate to the Account settings. In this section, you'll find all details related to your account preferences and configuration, but for what we need, look for the option that says Delete My Business Profile. This is where you begin the official process of account deletion. Next, the screen will prompt you to type in the name of the profile you wish to delete. It's important to be sure you're entering the exact name of the profile to avoid deleting the wrong one. This acts as a double check for Uber to ensure there's no mix-up. Now, you'll need to give a reason for your account deletion. This isn't just useful for Uber's records, but also provides them feedback. The reasons could be varied. Perhaps you no longer wish to drive or you're switching services, whatever it may be, type it in. After you've entered all the necessary information, the final action is to click on Submit. This officially sends your request to Uber, where they will process it. Keep in mind there might be a waiting period or additional steps to verify your request entirely. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully submitted a request to delete your Uber Eats driver account. Make sure to check any verification emails just in case they require further confirmation. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Have a great day.